Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design this component. So let's begin. First go to create sketch and click this plane. I'm going to begin with rectangle. So draw a rectangle of length 70 mm because we sum all these for 10 plus 15 it become 70. So I'm going to draw length 70. And height 30. Okay, now I'm going to draw the square. It should be 30 mm from axis. So here you need to draw a square of 10 mm length and 10 mm breadth. A square has all sides equal. Now you need to draw two triangles. So from the axis 10 mm and it should be height 10 mm and breadth 15 mm. Similarly, you need to draw from the right. You need to draw a triangle of height 10 mm and breadth 15 mm. And now go to trim option and trim unwanted parts. That's one. Now we are going to dimension it. We have drawn properly, so we just need to draw a line. Distance between these two points is 10 mm. We don't need to dimension it. If you dimension it, it would show error. Now go to solids, extrude, and slightly tilt the plane. You could see the thickness of this component is 10 mm. So you need to select this plane and you need to give 10 mm. If you give 10 mm, it will be changed like this. Now the required shape is obtained and the required dimensions also obtained. That's all about this video, guys. If you have any questions, just comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you, guys. Thanks for viewing.